Baby.
Why did Mom keep all of this away from me? Now she has ruined my political ambition.
Baby, don't be angry with Mom like that. She told you the reason she did what she did. I'm a woman. I will go to any extent to protect my children.
Not to this extent, honey. Do you know the damage this revelation has done to my career? Do you know the emotional instability she has put me into? Do you know the damage this has done to my political career? To think I've been busy rendering my services to total strangers. Now what becomes of my ambition to go to the National Assembly now that I have a change of identity? What do I do about that?
There's always a way. Just pick up the pieces of your life. Let's just move on. Please.
It's not as easy as you think. This is going to be very, very difficult. Very difficult.
Just come. Listen to me. A journey of 1,000,000 miles starts with a step. Take that step. And I promise you, I'll always be there for you. Okay?
Thank you, baby.
I love you.
I love you too.
Somebody tell me. Somebody got some.
Wait! Wait. Good afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine.
And you, young man, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay. So who are you looking for?
We are looking for King Harrison.
King Harrison?
Yes.
On appointment, personal intention or community problem?
We want to see him. I served the mother a long time ago.
And?
It's a matter of life and death.
Yes, it's really a matter of life and death.
And what is your name?
My name is Nenna.
Nenna. That's Nenna, yeah? Yes. And young man, your name?
My name is Richard.
Oh, Richard. It's okay. Just wait. Let me... Okay. Ah! Kevin Naga.
I thought we'd come along.
Just like that, it's not any chief.
Sorry.
See, stand here. Don't, as in, if you move from this place, you are standing, you will not see him again. Just stand this place.
What? You don't have to lock the gate. We'll wait here.
See, my brother, just wait that place. Let me confirm the safety and inform the Igbo of your arrival. Then you can come in. There, look at them. Be aware. Any movement,
See, Igwe, on your way home, tell no that yes, what is it?
Iwe when again. There is a man and a woman outside the gate. They say they want to see you. And they also say I should tell you that it's very, very important.
What are their names and what do they want?
She said she used to work for your mother far back, and also said I should tell you that it's a matter of life and death. Her name is Nenna.
Nenna. Please, ask her to come. Ask her to come. Nenna. Could she still be alive?
Hey, come on, Masiga Mana. Yeah. Easy now. Thank you. Just go and see him. Okay. Alright, Chan. Don't go there and disgrace yourself. You are going to see the king. If you reach there, comport one way. Because the way I'm looking at you, you are just rushing in to go and see him. If you disgrace yourself, he will send you out. So if you reach there, comport yourself and talk to him. Come on, church.
Is this really you, Nana? Where have you been all this while? I thought you were dead.
Mother, she has gone. Mother, why are you this wicked? Mother, you have used your wickedness to send this poor girl away. Mother, have you bothered to ask where this girl would go to? Mother, this is the only home she knows. Mother, why are you this wicked? Mother, you are so wicked. So wicked.
How dare you talk to me in that manner because of a common man?
She is not a common man.
Then who is she?
She is the woman I love. She is the woman I want to get married to. Mother, if anything happened to that girl, I will not forgive you.
I searched everywhere for you. I didn't find you. I gave up when there was no more traces of you.
I was forced to write that letter by your mother. She asked me to leave and never to return. My whole life was threatened, so I had to leave.
You should have contacted me. I was heartbroken then.
Well, that is in the past. This is your son. Son, that's your father. I was 2 weeks pregnant when I left the palace.
Welcome, son. You have the eyes of your father.
What do you mean? You think you can come into my house and lay some useless claims? You must be out of your mind.
Hey, woman, keep out of this, please. Keep out of this. My son. My son, please come. Come, my son, come to me.
My father.
Come, my son.
Father.
What if it is my destiny? I don't care.
Lola, what's going on? Huh? You sounded so gentle on the phone. What's the matter?
The worst has happened.
You're getting us confused here. What is the problem?
Your father has a son. And he has come to take over the kingship from you.
No, are you joking? That's impossible. It can't happen over my dead body.
It is true, my children. A woman walked in here claiming she had a son for your father.
You're not serious, Mom. It's unbelievable. Do you know her? Have you seen her before?
No, I've not met her. That was many years ago, before I got married to your father.
Where's my father? Kevin!
He should be in his chambers. Son, you should take it easy.
No way, Dad. I can't believe you swallow such a lie. Those people are god diggers.
That is not true. That woman was my first love. She has no reason to lie. If not the fact that my late mother never liked her, she would have been my wife.
Wait, Daddy, have you done any paternal or DNA test to ascertain if he's truly your son or not?
Well, that is not necessary.
It is necessary, Dad. It is necessary. Don't even pretend as if it's not an important issue to discuss. Except you have made up your mind for him to succeed you.
Listen, you people are unnecessarily feeling insecure. You're worrying yourself unnecessarily. I hope you understand my own point.
Dad! What is this I'm hearing?
Breaking news, my dear. Daddy has rented a son to take my place as the heir apparent to the throne. That better have served you. With all my strength, with all loyalty. With a dignified honesty, Daddy. What have I done?
Will you shut your trap? Keep quiet! My dear, don't mind them. It's not true. It's a long story anyway. But the fact is that my son from another woman just returned. That is it.
Dad, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell us that you've been cheating on our mom?
I don't understand.
Look, Dad, you have to be very careful so you don't do anything that will hurt this family. Maybe this your son should submit himself to a DNA test.
No, I don't think so.
You want to understand me? See, immediately I set my eyes on Richard. I knew he was my son. Besides, he's a successful politician in this state.
You don't need to feel insecure. Anyway, for your information, he will be introduced to the family and the community at large next week.
What? Really?
Yes. And I want everybody to get ready to welcome him.
What?
Dad, are you joking?
Very much.
You're not?
That's the truth.
Arinze. Can I see you, sister?
My princess, calm down. Calm down. Every situation is under control. Calm down. There's no need to panic.
Dad, please. You have to reconsider. This is devastating. This is going to destroy our family.
Calm down. Nothing is going to happen. Okay?
Dad, please reconsider, please. This is devastating. This is going to destroy this family. Please, I beg you.
No.
Opposite wife, papa will look at me. Things don't fall apart, yeah. Opposite wife will look at me. You know, say every story has a teller. Every teller has a story. My neighbors is
Tony? Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
It all happened like a dream, honestly. I met my biological father today.
Yes, my love. My own husband. Richard Okeke, Prince. What an upliftment. Maybe you are going to be the king of if it's a kingdom.
Honey, you know I'm not interested in being any kind of king in any kingdom. All I'm interested in is my political career. Moreover, the woman I met there at the palace today, whom I think is my father's wife, didn't look or sound so welcoming. She was kind of hostile.
Really?
Yes.
But anyway, that is so irrelevant. Baby, don't think about her. The most important thing right now is you've met your biological father.
Yes.
And he accepted you. So don't think about that woman.
Thank you, baby.
Welcome. I'm so happy for you.
Finally, my mind can be at peace. I have a home, I have a father, I have traced my roots.
Wow.
What kind of rubbish is that? Are you the only Ojabu is or something give me Ebu Oja? What kind of rubbish is that? Even now that I'm only the person in this palace now, all of them has gone out. You are still disturbing me and the dog. What is your problem? See, I'm a good buist, a good blower.
You know what? Gateman or whatever you call yourself.
Chief.
Or chief gateman or whatever you call
Chief
yourself.
security.
Please. I don't need anyone to interrupt me here. As you can see, I'm rehearsing. And I don't think you know where you belong to. Because if you know where you belong to, you will not be here saying all this nonsense you're saying. So leave my presence.
What do you know you're blowing? I started blowing this thing. This was what I was using to pay my house rent before I joined Palace work. And if you mess up, I will send you out and bring another blowist. What you make the king? See, let me tell you something you don't know. See, if you can go and ask other kings, King Herod in Amafo village, I am the blower. Go and ask him. And you are here talking rubbish.
Can you leave my presence? Go, please.
Don't worry. Very soon the king will bring this to the challenge. Don't worry, I'll challenge you.
Wake up, boy. Infuse your life with action. Don't wait for events to pass you by. Make it happen. My future, my hope, and my beliefs are fading away right before my very own eyes. Now I know when they say each day holds a surprise, even if we don't expect to see it or even feel it. But it comes to us anyways. But I'm a man. I'm never afraid of surprises, whether they come to me as sorrow or joy. But I know that it must surely open a place in my heart, either to hate or to love. I'm a man, and I will never run away from my destiny. You scared me, Emeka. I got relax. What's your problem? I'm so worked up. The recent happenings in the family is really confusing me. To be honest, I've run out of ideas. I've run out of solutions. That's why I'm here. I have a plan. You do? Yes. Are you sure it will work? 100% positive. It will work. So calm down, relax. Get your card.
See what you will do, eh? Just try and... It's okay. Never keep your thought. There were you Jafuchi. Afuchi on your banana. Still going in your water resistant. Mamma, and a bachelor woman millimeter.
And what are you doing with my flute?
Let me inside. So this thing that you are even using to disturb the king is not even water resistant. Or if now, eh? Do you think you are the only one that can blow this thing? I used to blow it.
Manibo Onyori. Do you know you're just a common criminal? Yeah, if you be Zori or Jam, if there is Zori or Jam, make sound out of it. Let me see.
Just sound.
Onyori, water.
Hold on. Which one do you want? Osadebe or normal hip hop? Let me know the side I'm blowing from.
Do you see why I say that you're a common criminal?
It's okay. It's okay.
Well, Oja.
Osadebe. Okay. Wait, let me give you the old one.
Onyori Oja, bueno Oja. Stop! Give me. Onyori Oja, listen.
Legoronye so na achimoch onye igwe biri mma onwo na hebe ebe ibu mma kwuru na palace ndị ọzọ na-ebugharị egbe.
There is fire on the mountain. I cannot sit back and watch the possessions of my children taken away from me. Arinze, you have to get married at once.
I thought you were about to suggest a more direct approach.
Do not try to change the topic. If you had gotten married long ago, you would have been the crown prince of this kingdom. Can't you see we are losing it? This Richard of a boy is married, which puts him in a better position to become the next king.
His mom is correct. We need to do all we can do so that he will name you the next heir to the throne. Then other things will follow up.
Good talk, my son. I cannot sit and watch more surprises spring up. I can't! Omame!
This is life, the life we are living. The more you know,
Oh, hard. Thank you.
the less you understand. Still really running on.
Mama, I'll talk to him. There's nothing to worry about.
You better talk to him. Can't you see we are losing the fight?
We can't lose. Who will need a borrow son? Huh? When me Jakarta never lose before. We can't.
What am I going to do now?
This is bad news. I can't sit and watch a total stranger walk into my home and take what rightfully belongs to my children. I am still the queen of the kingdom.
This whole thing is like a dream to me. Mother, with his arrival, Arinze is no longer the firstborn. He is no longer heir to the throne of Ifite Kingdom.
Over my dead body. That is why I have accelerated my moves to strengthen your brother's positions.
Mother, I seriously doubt if there's anything we can do about this. Dad has already made his final decision.
I don't care.
He made his points clear.
I don't care. All that matters most to me is my children's happiness. And I must do everything within my power to make sure I restore their position.
This is life, the life we are living. The more you look, the less you see, the less you understand. Do you really want to know?
Dikeh na odogwu abatago. Neke nwa mụrụ na mma.
Zgwa nwa m na m Igbo na m abatago odogwu ka m kwali gị mgbe m gị kirie mmanwụ n'olu eke ọ na-eme na mmanwụ m. Odogwu nwa mụrụ na nwa ntị na-ekene gị eke n'ọnụ odogwu be m. Kataka dike na-abalị nwa agụ mba alụsị bụ ka ibu echi enye nne dike a na-akwala ụbụrụ n'ụba ntị na ịbatago na obi odogwu olu eke ọ na-eme m ekene nụ nwa mụrụ na mma ezigbo nwa igwe nwa onye ochie ọra dike na-ekwe odogwu na-ekwe nwa gị na nwa gị abatago olu eke ọ na-eme m igwe onye ochie ọra bịa duru aga m na m echebegwo olukwe ka ọ na-eme m na chututu eforigbo ka anyị nabata odogwu na nwa gị abatago ezigbo nwa amụrụ na nwa olu eke ọ na-eme m nwa amụrụ na nwa igbo na nnukwu ọnụ m olu eke dike ji nwa akpali mgbe m nya ka eji wee chọọ odogwu achọ ogbu nwa amụrụ na nwa olu eke ọ na-eme m gwara onye jesie ije nọ na onye jeli ije ga-emerili dịka a na-akwala ụkwụ n'ugbo na-egirigiri m mgbe m nnọọ n'obi nna gị nwa si ụlọ ọganili mba igwe
Ije, darling.
Dad, I've been meaning to ask. Why do the maids and the guards have to kneel or bow whenever they see any member of the royal household? And why all this fanfare? Why?
My son, in our tradition, that is a mark of respect for royalty. And as a prince that you are, you deserve such respect.
I know, Father, I know, but don't you think those things are in the old time past? Like, don't you think it's a cake? This is the modern age. People don't do all of that anymore.
My dear son, from that eternal time till date, that respect has been there, and no one has been able to change it. But let's forget that one. Let's talk about necessary things. You said there was something important you wanted to discuss with me.
Yes, Father.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
Okay, Father, I need a favor from you. I need a portion of land. I want to build and establish a school that will benefit all disabled persons in Ifite. I want them to attend freely, free of charge, and have quality education. Free of charge. It's something I want to do for our people, and I pray you assist me in getting it done.
What? This is great. My son, this is great. See, you don't have anything to worry about this at all. Your request is granted.
Thank you, Father.
It's granted, and that portion of land will be given to you.
Thank you so much, Father. I appreciate it. Thank you.
This is what I'm talking about. This is living for the people. A life of sacrifice. Oh my gosh. My son, I am with you 100% in this project.
Thank you so much.
And whenever you think I can come in to assist, let me know.
I sure will, Dad.
Oh my God.
I will. I was pondering about it, and then I felt maybe I should just come throw it up and see if you would assist.
This is wonderful.
Thank you, Father. Hey, brothers.
Who is your brother? So you think you can barge into my father's palace and steal the throne from me? Huh? Like a thief in the night.
It's like you both are into drugs, or there's something you sniff that gets into your head. What rubbish are you talking about the throne? And who even told you I'm interested in the throne?
Look at this pretender. Look at this worst pretender. Look, Richard or whatever they call you. As long as we, the rightful owners and members of this royal dynasty are concerned, you are nothing but a gold digger. My friend, get out from here. Get out of my sight. Look at this one. Oh, you think you can come and reap from where you did not sow? Nonsense. Lenonyara. Richard, stay out of my way.
No, you stay out of my way, you both. Okay? The fact that I am quiet does not mean I'm a weakling. If you do not stay away from my path, I will crush you.
I will slice you like fruitcakes. Otule, look at you. You think you have money? You think you have money? We will show you where we are called Umunnewezoak. Can you imagine this maga? Just are you okay?
The reason I'm having this conversation with you in the first place is simply because of my father. Else I will make you both disappear.
Did you hear him? Arizona. I'll say, you will make us disappear. One to go to Arizona. I'll say, you will make us disappear. Lenu. You make us disappear.
You both don't know who I am.
You're a product of one night stand. Hey! You go digging fool. Come and take the throne. Otule, you know who we are talking to? Emi Jakarta. Look at this one night stand. One night stand. Want to take over the throne?
I will show you what this product of a one-night stand can do. I will tell you why I am called Ochiaga.
Just Otule. Yeah, it cannot help. Now, only so that we will disappear, he will make us disappear. He will make us disappear. Literally, once, literally, he will make us disappear.
My love, don't get yourself all worked up about this.
Worked up, you said? They threatened me because they felt I was after the throne, and you're telling me not to get worked up?
Baby, don't forget they are your brothers. People are out there looking at you to fail. This is the chance you have to make it right with your family, not destroying it.
They are the ones who are destroying it. I mean, I can't sit back and watch them box me into a spot. No! I will fight back and damn every consequence.
My love, just relax. Just relax, okay? Why not just go inside and freshen up while I set the table?
Okay.
What if it is my destiny? By fire, by force, I must rule up. What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule up.
Princess, you sounded too worried when you called. What is going on? Anyway, how is work?
Work is fine, but that's not why I called you.
Okay.
Joanne, you have to help me. My family is in a big dilemma. I didn't know who else to call except you.
What is going on? You know you can't tell me anything. I'm your friend.
You see, that's why I said I wanted to see you. His place as the crown prince is being threatened. And until he gets married, he will not be named the crown heir to Ifite kingdom.
Oh my. Babe! This is more difficult than I thought. Marriage is a long-term commitment. And your brother barely recognizes me. We've not even talked for a second. Not to talk of marriage.
That's because he's always busy. But trust me, I can make things work. Yes. Please, help me, Joanne. Help my family.
Seriously, you're really putting me in a very difficult situation. How do you even... Marriage?
Tobias, call tuberculosis. Can you find out about the good self? You sent for us, so what is it again?
Hey. This will be the first and last time you will open your mouth and call me Tobias or tuberculosis in this palace. Eh? And it will be the last warning I'm giving because I don't have a spare warning. Any day you dare address me as that, as Tobias or whatever you call itself.
Tuberculosis now.
Araboy. Eh? You don't dare address me as Tobias because the king has already made me the chief security officer. Leyebe. Oh, Bundiche. So don't try it again.
Please, Oga Chief Security Officer, why did you send for us? Why did you call us?
I have a good news for you girls.
Good news?
Yes.
And what could that be?
I know. Gwa, you in particular. Amam, you never believe that anything good will come out from me. Okay? In fact, for that reason, I'm not saying anything. Go back to your duty post. You go to where you are washing.
Hi.
to buy us one.
Pour me one more time.
Oh, see, Guanai, so where is it now? Tell us.
In this touching alone, you can come into pay us. I can answer for the last time. You see, the queen confided in me to help her search for girls, wives for the son. The 2 sons.
Seriously?
Yes, and being the contractor, I've decided to offer you girls the chance. On one condition,
which condition?
See it now. What condition is that?
Ima, you cannot just cook soup and submit to the king without testing it. Maka poison and you don't just do that. Yeah, he shove a briota abuche. Ige butie lele yamano. So for that reason, 3 of you will bring yourself for me to yes to know among you which one is the sweetest to be sweet for the prince. So prince.
Are you alright? Are you sure you are alright? So this is why you called us out here. Please, let's get out of here.
Let's go, Jerry. I can't blame you. It's not your fault.
Sorry.
Chikono nkono na etiti ye nwato brena ama mmebe aka ara bidoro. Huh? Nkano ni shisha dem sure no kingdom. She's not from this kingdom. She don't even behave like us. Look at those I want to help.
What if it is my destiny? I don't care. By fire, by force, I must rule on. What if it is my destiny? I don't care.
You know, I decided to come with myself, by myself, to deliver this particular message. You see, I know you people do not hear of the good news that happened in my life. Chineke Buliwo Melu. The Igwe actually made me a chief. Yes, as a gate man. Yes. So because of that reason, me and Lolo, the relationship between me and Lolo is now very tight.
Congrats.
You are welcome, my dear. Mention it. See, I came here because of a purpose. You see, Lolo has contracted me to be the contractor of the prince's wives. See, as it stands now, I am the person that is going to bring the 2 girls that the 2 princes will marry.
Marriage?
What's
marriage?
So I looked around because he had a virgin. And with the look of things, see, but the little thing you people have to be doing is to bring money. Because in here, we competition. Many people want these 2 princes, but I'm just rejecting them because of you, 2 of you. You have to be bringing money so that we'll do it.
Like, how much are we talking about?
This thing, you don't need a specific amount to say. It depends on the one you want. You know, they have a fair prince and a black prince. Which one do you want?
Black. The black.
No, me, I want the black one. You can take the fair person.
I choose him first, the black.
Hey. See, because you want the black one, black one is 40,000. It's very, very costly. 40,000 naira. That's what you will bring for the black goat, black prince. So you, which one do you want? Fair one, ba?
There is a problem.
What is the problem?
I am not a virgin.
Hey. Wonderful. I'm not surprised. It's not even a problem. With the look of things, it's okay. Even the fair prince is not a virgin. So you people, let the black bury the black, the white bury themselves. See what will happen you now for not being a virgin. Hey, it won't matter. 25,000 for the goat, for the prince. So that is what will last. Oh, hi, Anna. Anything less than 25,000 for this thing will not collect.
But I can pay half.
No, you can just be paying half. There is no problem. But anything you have, just go and bring. Even a virgin.
Yes.
It's okay. So you can bring anything. Just okay. Just bring.
Let me bring half of my money.
Go and bring.
So you have one in this house.
What of you? Your own.
I don't have money now.
Yeah. But you will bring.
I will save some money and I will bring it to you.
Oh, no. It's no problem. It's no problem. I will be okay.
But make sure you deliver.
Ha! Why won't I?
5,000.
It's no problem. See, what will happen? This one Nanki water will go a long way. Because you people have to do fast. Queue no, line no. People, neighboring villages, everybody want these two prints. So you will bring money so that we will do it, yeah? You were alone.
I don't have money. But I can pay later now.
You don't have money.
But I can save up and pay later.
I don't know virgin no it's okay, we know what we'll do about it. Hey, did you people cook anything? Like any food? It must not be the same quality with the one I eat in the palace. Just I'm no na aquadotere.
I want to apple kai super.
Yes.
I want to
Can't wait.
Be much. Get it. Give me a chair. Because men also. I was no. Hey, what was it?
Please don't harm me, don't kill me. I'll give you anything you want.
We are not here for the money. Stay away from the royal family. Stay away from the palace. Or else you will live to tell the story. This is just a warning. I said this is just a warning. Warning.
I've heard you.
Let's leave. This is just a warning.
Richard, I warned you. This is the reason I didn't want to tell you who you really are. I wanted to protect you, my son.
Mama, they have not seen anything. They had the guts to send their thugs after me. More. I will tell them I'm a politician and I'm strong in this game. I will match them with whatever fire they bring.
But baby, I've been thinking. Don't you think this attack is from one of your political opponents? I don't think your brothers are responsible for this.
They are responsible for it. I know those guys. I know what they are capable of. I know the threats they have thrown at me. But I will match them power for power. I can't run away from my father's house. I cannot. I am a man. Who even told them I was interested in their throne?
Richard, you're a stubborn man. But please, I beg of you to be careful. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Be careful.
Richard, please. Please, you are my only surviving son. Please, Richard. Please. They will kill you. Please. Kill me, just be careful.
Look at it. They hear me, Mama. Be careful. Be careful. Look at my body. I got me buha before he boom. I will kill them before they get close to me. They have drawn the line and I am set for this war.
Hey. Richard.
Mama, you know my husband. He will never listen to such idea. His roots mean so much to him.
Even at the expense of his life. My daughter. His stepbrothers are against him. Yes, I agree he wants to be connected to his roots. But I fear for his life. All I plead is for him to let them be. His life is more important to me.
Mama, his life is important to me too. But you know, Richard, he will never be controlled. Mama, you talk as if you don't know your son. Richard will never listen to anyone that attempts to stop him from being in touch with his father.
See, it can never be the same. A lot of forces is against him. They're all interested in pushing him out of the way, daughter. Eh? I shouldn't have told him all this.
Mama, don't talk like that. And watch him blame me for the rest of your life. Mama, don't be like this. Don't blame yourself. All we need to do now is just advise him to be watchful and prayerful. Please.
I pray it's never too late.
Mama, nothing will be too late. You have to stop this, please. Please, just calm down.
My love, you're not looking cheerful. Why do you want us to postpone our engagement when you know my father wants to present me as the heir? He's really worried about the delay.
I know he's worried, but I think I need a little time to inform my father about your intention to get married to me.
Oh, God. My love, what is bothering you? What is taking the beautiful smile on your face when you know your face and your smile makes my day?
I'm fine. I just have some personal issues I'm dealing with, but I'll be okay.
Okay, you know what? Let's go to a quiet place where we can talk. Okay? You just have to put a smile on your face. Please.
Let me get my bag.
Okay, I'm waiting.
We cannot continue like this. How can we, the use of this land, just fold our arms and watch Prince Arins and Emeka just treat us like slaves?
Slaves? Do you say slaves? We are worse than slaves. We now live in fear. We have lost our voices. Nobody saying anything. Our fathers have also lost their voices and strength. Nobody saying anything. Even a single soul. Nobody is saying anything.
We must do something to stop them all. We can't continue like this.
Yes. How can we do anything? Whereas we have saboteurs even amongst us. They've already bought them with money. Don't be surprised that before we finish this meeting, everything we'll discuss here will reach their ear.
Oh. My brothers, this is serious. What do we do? You cannot continue like this. This is serious. It's getting out of hand. You must do something about it. You must act fast now, please.
Yes, he's right. What do we do?
Are you sure we've watched those on phone?
Everything I say is the truth too. I'm very sure. Nnamdi, the youth leader, is the center of everything. And they are even planning to revolt against Prince Aris and Emeka. So,
Udo, thanks for the information. One criteria bugod, one criteria bugod, just use this one, This one body, Any info, you understand? But listen, open your eyes and ears to the ground. Any info, just touch all what I go. What's the wall? The wall now, one is the wall. There's the wall.
Oh. Honorable youth leader, right? Youth leader. Yeah, youth leader. I thought you were wise. But now I gotta find out that you're a big fool. Sorry, a bigger fool.
What is the meaning of this? And what are you doing in my house?
Hey, Swanepido, come on, shut up. Listen, it has come to our notice that you are instigating the youth of this land against the two rightful princes of this kingdom. But one day, God. I believe in the truth, and I will always stand for the truth. Richard is the first son of the king of this kingdom. So, he is heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Shut up! Shut up! You know, rubbish rat. You want pussy, one kita, and I try to pussy, right?
Hey! I see you don't listen to the voice of man. Rather, you listen to the voice of... What in it? Leave every dirty activities you're doing out there. Else.
Mama, you know my husband. He will never listen to such idea. His roots mean so much to him.
Even at the expense of his life. My daughter. His stepbrothers are against him. Yes, I agree he wants to be connected to his roots. But I fear for his life. All I plead is for him to let them be. His life is more important to me.
Mama, his life is important to me too. But you know Richard, he will never be controlled. Mama, you talk as if you don't know your son. Richard will never listen to anyone that attempts to stop him from being in touch with his father.
See, it can never be the same. A lot of forces is against him. They're all interested in pushing him out of the way, daughter. Huh? I shouldn't have told him all this.
Mama, don't talk like that. And watch him blame me for the rest of your life. Mama, don't be like this. Don't blame yourself. All we need to do now is just advise him to be watchful and prayerful. Please.
I pray it's never too late.
Mama, nothing will be too late. You have to stop this, please. Please, just calm down.
This madness must end today.
Yes, must end.
They came to my house and molested me. No amount of intimidation will make me go against the will and the wish of the king. Of my own king.
Never.
Wish is that Richard succeed.
Of course.
I don't really understand what is happening.
Listen and listen good, every one of you. We must resist every of the intimidation and oppression.
Yes. We must.
Yes.
We must. And I will see how strong your resistance looks like.
Hey, come on, dear.
You
move.
Chaloyi.
Everybody go down. Everybody go down. Hey, go down. Go down. If you make any move, I will just send you straight to your ancestors. Look at the youth leader. You see that wasn't chaku. Go down. Oh. So after all the warnings, and you still went and continue with this. And
let me tell you something. I can see how stubborn you are. But I will tell you what we'll do to stubborn fools like you.
Elegi, come. One push Subia. I said, you should come.
Go into that. See this week. Get me cane.
Size that nama. One nebia. Youth leader. Since you are not able to control your subjects, your subjects will control you now.
Who wants to join? No, just be friendly, okay? Who wants to join the youth leader? One nebia.
If you are with Richard here, raise up your hand.
If you are with...
Oh! It's alright.
No.
Oh, yes, sir.
No.
Isi one. Udo. Aga bele. One. One m tiri onye ebu God.
Go. Mpesala to.
Mpia ge war fence one come on sechala ala. One na yonya 6 strokes.
And each of you will give this fool 6 strokes each. On wait again.
Ipia yon ta ala.
Udo. Tido. Ela wa pusu afo.
What even brought me to that meeting? So I'm going now. I'm going back to my home. I cannot come and kill myself.
My love, you're not looking cheerful. Why do you want us to postpone our engagement when you know my father wants to present me as the heir? He's really worried about the delay.
I know he's worried, but I think I need a little time to inform my father about your intention to get married to me.
Oh, God. My love, what is bothering you? What is taking the beautiful smile on your face when you know your face and your smile makes my day?
I'm fine. I just have some personal issues I'm dealing with, but I'll be okay.
Okay, do you know what? Let's go to a quiet place where we can talk. Okay? You just have to put a smile on your face. Please.
Let me get my bag.
Okay, I'm waiting.
What has gone into the both of you? I personally handed that portion of land over to Richard, since you both did not want to do anything with it. He intends to build a school for the disabled there.
That is not the same portion of land that I requested to use and build a hotel just because it's very close to the junction, and that you blatantly refused. And now you want to hand it over to a total stranger just for a non-profitable venture.
Will you keep quiet?
Come on, Dad, what a waste.
Shut up! Do not repeat such word before me next time.
Daddy, do you know what pains me most? Because unfortunately you don't know this your so-called son. You don't know him. This boy is a god digger. This guy is just a total pretender. This guy, oh, I can't think of Sugi. I can't think of Sugi.
Enough, Arinze. I will not take this again from you. Father, one day more, I am swallowing all of these insults simply because of you. Not like I don't know what to do to them. They should stay on their lane, because the next time they cross my path, they will not know what hit them. One day more, one day more.
It's alright, Richard, it's alright. I promise you they will not repeat this next time.
Better.
Daddy, with due respect, please don't make promises you can't keep. Don't.
Will you shut up? Why should you speak while I'm speaking? How dare you? Listen, Richard is my son. So as both of you. You ought to respect him. He's your senior brother. Let me not get that kind of report again about you.
I hope they listen to you, Father. And as for the both of you, I am not an easy bone to chew.
Both of you should leave my side.
Dad,
I said leave my side.
What if it is my... Please, stay away from us for once. What is your problem? For your information, I want you to stay away completely from this palace. Do I make myself clear? Stupid. Nonsense. Stupid boy.